Well, hello everyone. This video today is about adjustable wrenches. These are not something that I usually like to pick up right away. One of the problems with these is that they'll slip. If you have a regular set of wrenches, they're much more reliable. You get in there, you pick up your wrench, fits what it's supposed to fit, it does the job. The problem with adjustable wrenches is that they tend to slip, even if you tighten this down to where it needs to be. And next thing you know, you're rounding off that bolt or that nut because it slipped. Then you have the danger of hurting yourself when it slips and everything else. So adjustable wrenches, they have a great place in the toolbox. They just tend to be sloppy. I remember my dad had this special adjustable wrench that I loved. He found it at a store. It was awesome. I think it was like a Stanley adjustable wrench, but it was special because it was a locking adjustable wrench. You take the locking mechanism of a locking set of pliers and you put it on with an adjustable wrench, and you put those two together, and now you have a locking adjustable wrench. Now I found this one on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. I just came across this when I was looking for some tools, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is the wrench that I've been looking for years. You can't find them in stores, at least I can't. Home Depot, Lowe's, all these places you go into, I can't ever find it. And found this one here. Now this one's a Craftsman. There was a few brands. There was the Craftsman, there was the Stanley, which is I think the one my dad had, which I think is one of the originals. I mean, he had that for many years. And then there was the Crescent brand one. I picked this one because it's Craftsman. You can go to Lowe's and they usually can switch stuff out, of course, if they don't have it in store. Lifetime warranty, and it opens all the way up to 1 inch. So basically you have a adjustable wrench that goes all the way up to 1 inch that also has this locking mechanism. I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up. All right, so I've got it out of the package. And why is this thing so exciting? You may be wondering. This one's got a very slight serrated edge on both sides. I'm assuming to kind of give you a little bit of that kind of a locking pliers type of grip to it. So let's move these aside. So what do we got here? We have this one, just like a locking pair of pliers. You push that open and you got a regular, you know, adjustable wrench. You adjust it the way you want. Okay, this one's gonna adjust. All right, but you come over here, now that you've got it in there, and you squeeze it, and that thing is now locked in place. No slop, nothing. You know, not only is it holding well, you don't have to worry about this loosening up. This is now locked in place with force. I mean, this is not gonna loosen. And now you can take it off just like you would a wrench or anything else, and have the reliability that you're gonna take this thing off without stripping it, without slipping off and hurting yourself or anything else. Like I said, I played with the one my dad had extensively, and I was in awe of that tool. I was like, man, this is one of the coolest things in the toolbox. So I saw this and I had to get it. And I just wanted to let everybody know, because you know there's probably many people that don't know about this tool, and you probably use these. They probably are something you go into your toolbox and you grab just an adjustable wrench, right? I mean, they're very easy to use, they're common, they're great. It's part of every tool kit you buy. But what isn't is this one. And I can tell you right now, if I have this one within reach, I'll never reach for one of these again. It's gonna be this one. I just wanted to let y'all know about this tool. You have this and you've been using it, please put some comments below. Let everybody know what your experience is with this specific tool. I don't care about the brand. It's really just about this whole locking adjustable wrench feature. Please let us know what you think of it in the comments. Is it one of the greatest tools? Do you hate it? All right, well, thanks for watching the video. If you've never seen this before and you're interested in getting one, like I said, I'm gonna have a link down in the description. If the video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and like the video, subscribe to the channel. All right, until the next video, y'all take care.